let's open the bags of this equipment. So this is the face of our handheld thermography camera of Hikvision. This button is used for power on, power off, display menu, and confirm operation. While these two buttons is the navigation button used for going up and going down. And this one is used for exit menu or return to previous menu. So first thing to do is we need to format the SD card of this device by pressing this button, then go to the format MicroSD, then select, push this button, format memory card, okay, cancel, then we use okay. Rating succeed. So the memory card has been already formatted. So now let's start to capture snapshots. To do how to capture snapshots, first thing to do is to click this button. Then by clicking this button, we have to save the image. Then go to the picture. Then we see the image. All right. So this time I will show you an example video for an actual use of this device. Sir, your temperature is very normal, 36.4. Thank you.